Alright, sorry for the intermission. Already cut the wires to that big motor. Oh well. Back to the other side real quick. I'll be right back. That's all the wires I can see right now. So let's continue. Cut all this copper out. Broke it yesterday. Pulling one of those pieces of stainless off. The guy doesn't know how to work a machine, I guess. What?
It's
What?
not cold anymore.
No, it's not. It's not cold anymore. Yeah, see. No. Don't squish the bug. He didn't. He didn't hurt you. So he can get away from people trying to squish him. He doesn't want to be squished. We can't go get candy. We have a flat tire. Mommy has her keys. I don't have her keys. Promise, we'll go get some later. Seal in all the oil to not make a mess. You get more weight. I see some people draining it out. It's too hard to do, honey. Okay? Too hard. But I see some people draining it out. I don't know if their yard makes them do that, but I keep it all in there. Like I said, so it doesn't make a mess. You keep the weight in there as it comes with it. So I say keep it in there. And I always leave a little bit of soft, you know, copper. Because it looks like copper on the end here, but I believe that's actually steel. And you're going to have a hard time sealing this thing up so it doesn't spill. But you just take a hammer or a stainless steel rod like this, because I can't find my hammer, seal it shut. Makes the guys at the yard happy that they will not spill all that oil all over them. It's a win-win. Moving back this way so you can watch me cut the copper off. Okay, you ready? Push. No, just push.
That's strong.
There you are. Push. You're strong.
Yeah, I am.
Got it? Push it out of there. Get it?
See?
Yeah, right here. Because if you're up here, you get your fingers in there. Ready?
Oh, it's not cut off!
Ready?
Oh,
Ready?
oh man!
Ready? Up high.
Oh God!
Ready?
Oh,
Okay.
oh. There's a fly.
Let's see if I can.
Dad, where are we gonna put this?
Which one?
This one?
No. That bucket.
What's super? Dad, that one?
Yep.
Oh, Dad, I won. I'll do it too.
Good shot.
Dad, I'll have to do this thing. Ah! Dad, I'll help you. Dad, can I just do this one?
Those, I don't know if those will work.
Yes, I told you.
I don't think those work. They're too hard. Those won't work, honey. See? Let's do these. Let's do these.
Oh.
No, it's not gonna work. Hold it. Ready?
Dad, I need new ones.
Ready? Next one. Hold on. Wait. Go.
I dropped. Oh, that's great. I'll get it.
Careful. Ready?
I can tell.
Alright, watch out. Nice.
Oh my God! I'm not pulling up that.
Careful, that railing is not secured. Look. Careful over there.
But then what happened?
Bro,
That is very cold.
put your jacket back on.
No, you put it on for me. I told you what's cold, Dad.
Your hands are dirty.
Then go clean them.
I'm still working.
Dad, can you fix it?
It's already dirty. Here.
No.
Just put it on.
No, clean it.
Put it on, or don't. Almost all sealed units are secured in by a 1/2 inch bolt.
Then I'll put it right here.
Like 99 out of 100, I'd say, no matter what size they are.
Yeah.
What?
It's filled.
Oh no.
It's Mommy can see all work.
Yeah.
But then why do you put that stick over there?
Hmm?
Why do you put that stick over there?
I don't know.
Daddy, your trailer broke.
Don't get on that rail. That rail is messed up. Please, don't get up there right now. Just wait.
Trying to get down.
No.
I'm gonna help you.
Absolutely love these little gas manifolds. All these little nubs are brass and they add up really quick. If you get a lot of AC units, I put all those to the side, and this is a nice cast. It's got a little bit of brass in it sometimes and a little transformer. But yeah, these are really cool. I'll do a video on those soon because I got about 20 of them to do. But so what's left is this motor and 2 more massive coils. That's going to take a little bit of time to get to because I've got to take these other units apart to access the other side, which I believe is how they are secured, unfortunately. So we will have to end the video here, but we got about 90% of the way. We made an absolute mess, but that's a good thing. This is the coil from the other unit that I did. So far we did a 3-ton unit. Now this coil came out of it as well, the 3-ton unit. So we've done a 3-ton unit, this 8-ton unit, and then we've got, let's go see what these other ones are. Probably 3 or 4-ton units, maybe 5-ton units. Let me see if I can tell from reading the label. Serial number, model number. No, can't tell from. Oh yeah, 4-ton unit. It says A048. So you divide 48 by 12, you get 4. And you multiply that by 1,000, and that's a 4-ton unit. The other ones look similar size, but maybe slightly bigger. So let's see if we can see. No, that's facing the other way. But yeah, so either 4 or 5-ton units, 3 of them to do. But just wanted to get the big one on video. And we'll come back with a scrap run hopefully tomorrow or Friday. Hoping for tomorrow. I think I should be able to get these done if I got the big one done in an hour. So appreciate y'all hanging out, coming by. Let me know what you think about the new trailer. And I'll catch y'all soon. See ya.